Hi everyone, welcome to Idea Board video classes. In previous video, we discussed about area of triangle, area of quadrilateral and area of polygon. Today, I am going to explain the problems related to area of triangle, area of quadrilateral and area of polygon. Now come to the first problem. Area of the triangle with vertices minus 4 comma minus 1, 1 comma 2 and 4 comma minus 3. First write down the formula for area of triangle. Now what are the given points? Minus 4 minus 1, denote this point with x1 y1. Second point 1 comma 2 denoted with x2 y2. Third point 4 comma minus 3. You can consider this point as x3 y3. So area of triangle equals to half modulus of first point coordinates x1 y1, second point coordinates x2 y2, third point coordinates x3 y3. If all 3 points are over, then again you write down the first point coordinates. What are the first point coordinates? x1 y1. So after writing this format, then put the arrow marks like this. Now this equals to half modulus of, substitute the corresponding values. x1 y1, this is minus 4 minus 1, second point 1 2, third point coordinates 4 minus 3. If all 3 points are over, then again we write down the first point coordinates, that is minus 4 minus 1. Now this equals to half modulus of, now expand this format. Now see the simplification, minus 4 into 2 minus 8 minus 1 into minus 1, this is minus 1. Now this part is over, plus 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 4 into 2 8. Now this part is completed, plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 into minus 3 12. Now simplify these constant terms. This is half modulus of minus 8 plus 1. It is minus 7 minus 3 minus 8 minus 11 plus into minus 11 minus 11 minus 4 minus 12 minus 16 plus into minus 16 minus 16. Now this is minus 7 minus 11 minus 18 minus 18 minus 16 minus 34. So this is 1 by 2 modulus of minus 34. 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 34 is plus 34. Now 2 will be cancelled in 13 for 17 times. So this is equal to 17. So therefore area of triangle equal to 17 square units. So your answer is third option. Now see the second problem. Area of triangle formed by the points 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and x comma 4 is 40 square units. Then the value of x is. Now here what is the given condition? Area of the triangle formed by these 3 points is 40 square units. So come to the solution. So given that area of triangle equals to 40 square units. So apply the formula for area of triangle. It is half modulus of first point coordinates. What are the first point coordinates? 1 comma 2. This is 1 2. Second point coordinates are 2 comma 3. It is 2 3. Third point coordinates are x comma 4. X 4. If all 3 points are over, then again you write down the first point coordinates. What are the first point coordinates? 1 comma 2. So 1 2. So this value is given as 40 square units. Now first put the arrow marks, then expand this format. This implies half modulus of 1 into 3 3 minus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 4 8 minus x into 3, which is same as 3x, plus x into 2, which is same as 2x, minus 1 into 4 4. Now this equal to 40. Now this implies half modulus of, this is 3 minus 4 minus 1. Here it is minus 3x plus 2x minus x. 8 minus 4 plus 4. So 8 minus 4 plus 4 minus 3x plus 2x minus x equal to 40. Now multiply this equation on both sides with a constant 2. Then it is modulus of 4 minus 1 is 3 minus x equals to, this is 80. Now this equation is of the form like mod x is equal to some constant k. If you consider 3 minus x as x and this constant 80 as k, then this equation is of the form like mod x is equals to k. If mod x is equals to k, then x is plus or minus k. What is the formula? If mod x is equals to k, then x equal to plus or minus k. Now use this one. From this equation, 3 minus x can be taken as a plus or minus 80. So from this equation, 3 minus x equals to plus 80. 3 minus x equal to minus 80. Bring this minus x from LHS to RHS and bring this 80 from RHS to LHS. So 3 minus 80 equal to x. So 3 minus 80 minus 77. So x value minus 77. Again bring this minus 80 from RHS to LHS and bring this minus x from LHS to RHS. So it is a 3 plus 80 equals to x. So what is the value of x? 83. Now your answer is a third option. X value minus 77, x value 83. Come to the next problem. Area of the quadrilateral formed by the points 1 comma 2, 2 comma minus 3, minus 2 comma 4 and 0 comma 5. First write down the formula for area of quadrilateral. So what is the first point? 1 comma 2. Denote this point with x1 y1. Second point 2 minus 3. Take this point as x2 y2. Third point minus 2 comma 4. Denote this point with x3 y3. Then finally 0 comma 5. Denote this point with x4 y4. Then write down the formula for area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral equals to half modulus of first point coordinates x1, y1. Second point coordinates x2, y2. Third point coordinates x3, y3. Then fourth point coordinates x4, y4. If all 4 points are over, then again you write down the first point coordinates. What are the first point coordinates? x1, y1. Now this equals to half modulus of, substitute the corresponding values. First pointer 1 2, second pointer 2 minus 3, third pointer minus 2 4, then 0 5. Then again write down the first point coordinates 1 2. Then put the arrow marks like this. Then expand this format. Now this equals to half modulus of 1 into minus 3 minus 3 minus 2 into 2 4. Now this part is over. 2 into 4 8 minus 2 into minus 3 6 plus this part is over. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 0 into 4 0. This part is over. Plus 0 into 2 0 minus 1 into 5 5. Now simplify the constant terms. That equals to half modulus of minus 3 minus 4. It is minus 7, 8 minus 6 plus 2 minus 10. This plus into minus 10 minus 10 plus into minus 5 minus 5. Now this equals to half modulus of minus 7 plus 2 minus 5 minus 15 minus 20. So this equals to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 20. It will be plus 20. Now 2 will be cancelled in 20 10 times. So therefore area of quadrilateral equal to 10 square units. So your answer is the first option. Now see the next problem. Area of pentagon PQRST is 7. P point coordinates are minus 1, minus 1. Q point coordinates are 2, 0. R point coordinates are 3, 1. S point coordinates 2, 2. Capital T is minus 1, small t, where t is positive. Then the value of t is. Now here area of pentagon is given as 7 square units. First write down the given condition. So given that area of pentagon PQRST equal to 7 square units. Then write down the formula for area of pentagon formed by given 5 points. Half modulus of first point coordinates. What are the first point coordinates? Minus 1, minus 1. Second point coordinates 2, 0. Then third point coordinates 3, 1. Fourth point coordinates 2, 2. Then last pointer minus 1 t. If all 5 points are over, then again you write down the first point coordinates. What are the first point coordinates? Minus 1, minus 1. So minus 1 equal to 7 square units. Now simplify this format. Before that, put the arrow marks like this. Now this implies half modulus of minus 1 into 0, 0 minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Now this part is over. Plus 3 into 2, 6 minus 2 into 1, 2. This part is, sorry. Now here minus 1 into 0, 0, minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, plus 2 into 1, 2, minus 3 into 0, 0. This part is over. Plus 3 into 2, 6, minus 2 into 1, 2. Now this part is over. Then 2t minus minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Now this part is completed. Plus minus 1 into minus 1, 1, minus minus 1 into t, minus t. This is equal to 7. So from this, half modulus of, this is minus into minus, plus 2. This is a 2 minus 0, 2, 6 minus 2, 4. This is 2t plus 2, plus this is 1 minus half minus t, 1 plus t, equal to 7. Now from this, half modulus of, what about the constant terms? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 9, 11. So 11 plus, this is a 2t plus t, 3t, equal to 7. Multiply this equation on both sides with a constant 2. So from this, modulus of 11 plus 3t equals to 14. Now this equation is of the form like mod x is equal to some constant k. If a mod x is equals to some constant k, then x equal to plus or minus k. Here, if you consider 11 plus 3t as x and constant of 14 as k, this equation is of the form mod x is equal to k. If a mod x is equal to k, then x equal to plus or minus k. So by using this condition, it can be written as 11 plus 3t equal to plus or minus 14. Now see the continuation. 11 plus 3t equal to plus or minus 14. Now from this equation, 11 plus 3t equal to plus 14, 11 plus 3t equal to minus 14. Now bring this 11 from LHS to RHS. 3t equal to 14 minus 11, that is 3. Therefore t equals to 1. Here bring this 11 from LHS to RHS. 3t equal to minus 14 minus 11. It is minus 25. So t equal to minus 25 divided by 3. If you observe the given statement, here there is a condition t is greater than 0, but you are getting a negative value. So this value cannot be acceptable. So what is your answer? T equals to 1. So required option is the fourth option. Now come to the next question. Let A h comma k be 1 comma 1 and C 2 comma 1 be the vertices of a right angled triangle with AC as its hypotenuse. If the area of the triangle is 1, then the set of values of k is. Now here these three vertices form the right angled triangle. In that right angle triangle, AC is the hypotenuse. Now first draw the right angle triangle according to the given condition. So AC as its hypotenuse. Then this is the vertex B. A point coordinates are h comma k, B point coordinates are 1 comma 1, C point coordinates are 2 comma 1. So ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle is at the vertex B. First apply the Pythagoras theorem on this right angle triangle. So from the Pythagoras theorem, AC square can be taken as AB square plus BC square. Now AC, first what is the value of AC? Distance between 2 points formula. How to calculate the length of the hypotenuse AC? By using distance between 2 points formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here AC is nothing but a square root of h minus 2 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square. But here we need AC square. That means root function is eliminated. So AC square is h minus 2 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square is equal to AB square. What is the value of AB square? That is a difference of x coordinates whole square plus difference of y coordinates whole square plus BC square. It is 1 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole square. Now see the cancellation of the terms on both sides. K minus 1 whole square term will be cancelled. H minus 2 whole square. Expand this term. It is h square plus 4 minus 4h equals to h minus 1 whole square. H square plus 1 minus 2h plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square is 1. Now this value is 0. Now here again on both sides h square term will be cancelled. Bring this minus 4h term from LHS to RHS. It will be plus 4h minus 2h. This is 1 plus 1, 2. Bring this plus 2 from RHS to LHS. Already in LHS part 4 will be there. 4 minus 2. So it is a 2 equals to 2h. H value is 1. But we need the value of k. Now one more condition is there in your given data, that is area of the triangle is 1. Now from this diagram, area of triangle ABC is nothing but half into base into height. So half into what is the base value? BC. Height value AB. Now apply the second condition. So given that area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 square unit. Now see the continuation. Area of triangle ABC is 1. It is half into base value is BC, height of the triangle AB. This equals to 1. Multiply this equation on both sides with a constant 2. Then automatically this constant on 2 will be cancelled. It is 1 into 2, 2. Now BC. What is the value of BC? It is square root of 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 1 whole square. AB. What is the value of AB? Square root of h minus 1 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square equals to 2. Already we are multiplying this equation with a constant 2. Now this is 2 minus 1, 1 square 1. It will be 0. So this first root function value 1. What is your h value? H value is 1. So root of this term will be 0 plus k minus 1 whole square equal to 2. Squaring on both sides. From this equation, k minus 1 whole square equal to 4. So k minus 1 equal to k minus 1 whole square equal to 4. From this k minus 1 equal to plus or minus 2. So k minus 1 equal to plus 2, k minus 1 equal to minus 2. Bring this minus 1 from LHS to RHS. So k equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Bring this minus 1 from LHS to RHS. So k equal to, this is 1 minus 2 minus 1. So k values are 3 minus 1. So what is your required option? Third option. K value minus 1, k value 3. Now come to the next problem. If k comma 2k, 2k comma 3k, 3 comma 1 are collinear points where k is not equal to 0, then the value of k is. So given points are collinear. It means the given 3 points lie on a same line. Suppose this is the first pointer, second pointer, third pointer. So these 3 points lie on a straight line. Here, by using these 3 points, we cannot form any triangle. It means area of triangle ABC is 0. If the given 3 points are collinear, we cannot form any triangle. It means area of triangle value is equal to 0. So use that condition. So area of triangle formed by the given 3 points is 0. So area of triangle is 0. So use the formula for area of triangle. So half modulus of first point coordinates k 2k, second point coordinates 2k 3k, third point coordinates 3 1. If all 3 points are over, then again you write down the first point coordinates. Here what are the first point coordinates? K 2k equals to 0. Now from this half modulus of, before you expand this format, put the arrow marks like this. Then expand this format, k into 3k, 3k square minus 2k into 2k, 4k square. Now this part is over. Plus 2k into 1, 2k minus 3 into 3k, 9k. Plus this part is over. 3 into 2k, 6k minus k into 1, k equals to 0. So from this half modulus of 3k square minus 4k square minus k square, 2k minus 9k minus 7k plus into minus 7k minus 7k, 6k minus k, 5k equals to 0. Now multiply this equation on both sides with a constant 2. This is modulus of minus k square minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k equals to 0. So from this minus k square minus 2k is 0. Now take the common factor minus k. So minus k into k plus 2 equal to 0. So it is k into k plus 2 equal to 0. This equation is of the form like product AB equal to 0. A into B equal to 0. It means either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. So from this k equal to 0 or k plus 2 equal to 0. Now see the given condition, k is not equal to 0. Now you can neglecting this condition, k equal to 0. So from this k equal to minus 2. So what is your answer? First option. Now come to the next problem. If A coordinates are minus 3 comma 4, B point coordinates are minus 1 comma minus 2, C point coordinates are 5 comma 6, D point coordinates are x comma minus 4, which are the vertices of a quadrilateral such that area of triangle ABD equal to 2 times of area of triangle ACD. Then the value of x is, what is the given condition? Area of triangle ABD equal to 2 into area of triangle ACD. First write down the given condition. Area of triangle ABD equals to 2 into area of triangle ACD. Now area of triangle ABD, it is half modulus of first point is A. What are its coordinates? Minus 3, 4. Then B point coordinates. What are coordinates of B? Minus 1, minus 2. Then third point coordinates D. D point coordinates are x minus 4. Then 3 points are over. If 3 points are over, then again you write down the first point coordinates. Here what is the first pointer? A. So A point coordinates are minus 3, 4. Now this LHS part is over. Equals to 2 into area of triangle ACD. Write down the formula for area of triangle. This is half modulus of, here first vertex is A. A point coordinates are minus 3, 4. Then second point is C. What are the coordinates of C? 5, 6. Then third vertex is D. D point coordinates are x minus 4. If 3 points are over, then again you write down the first vertex coordinates. What is the first vertex? A. A point coordinates are minus 3, 4. Now put the arrow marks. Now constant term 1 by 2 will be cancelled on both sides. Now expand this format. Modulus of minus 3 into minus 2, 6 minus minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Now this part is over. Plus minus 1 into minus 4, 4 minus x into minus 2, minus 2x. Plus this part is over. X into 4, it is 4x minus minus 3 into minus 4, 12. Now this is the value of LHS part equals to 2 into, now simplify this format, minus 3 into 6 minus 18 minus 5 into 4 20 plus 5 into minus 4 minus 20 minus x into 6, which is same as 6x, plus this is a 4x minus minus 3 into minus 4, 12. Now from this modulus of, it is 6 plus 4, 10, it is a 4 plus 2x, this is a 4x minus 12 equals to 2 into modulus of minus 18 minus 20 minus 38, it is a minus 20 minus 6x plus 4x minus 12. So from this equation, what about the constant terms? 10 plus 4, 14, 14 minus 12, that is 2. 2x plus 4x, 6x equals to 2 times of modulus of, first write down the constant terms, minus 38 minus 12, it is minus 40 minus 20 minus 60 minus 6x plus 4x minus 2x. So minus 38 minus 12, that is minus 50. Sorry, it is minus 50 minus 20, it is minus 70. Okay, minus 70 minus 6x plus 4x minus 2x. So from this, modulus of 2 plus 6x equals to 2 into modulus of, if you take the negative sign common from these two terms, then it will be 70 plus 2x, because modulus of minus x is modulus of x. Now see the simplification. Modulus of 2 plus 6x equal to 2 into modulus of 70 plus 2x. From this equation, modulus of 1 plus 3x equals to modulus of 70 plus 2x. Modulus of 1 plus 3x equal to modulus of 70 plus 2x. Now this equation is of the form like mod x is equals to mod y. If a mod x is equals to mod y, then x equal to plus or minus y. So use this result on your equation. It is of the form mod x is equals to mod y. Use the condition x equal to plus or minus y. So from this, 1 plus 3x equal to plus or minus 70 plus 2x. Now take the positive sign. 1 plus 3x equal to 70 plus 2x. Then take the negative sign. 1 plus 3x equal to minus of 70 plus 2x. Now bring this 2x from RHS to LHS. It will be 3x minus 2x, x. Bring this one from LHS to RHS, 70 minus 1, that is 69. So x value 69. Now simplify this equation also. 1 plus 3x equal to minus 70 minus 2x. Bring this minus 2x from RHS to LHS. It will be 5x. Bring this one from LHS to RHS. It will be minus 71. So x value minus 71 divided by 5. Now see the given options. X value 69, x value minus 71 by 5 means your answer is third option.